Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your number keys are not working on your Windows 10 computer. So the first thing I'd recommend doing, if you have like two sets of number keys, like one on the right side and then one along the top, I'd want to make sure that the num lock was not turned on. So if there's any buttons that say num lock on your keyboard, you want to click it one more time and then try and type any numbers and see if it's working. That might be the problem if you were trying to use the keyboard numbers on the far right side of your keyboard. If that is not the problem, well, there is one more big cause that could be related to Windows. So I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that in this tutorial if the first one was not what was causing your problem. And that would be to open up the Start menu by left clicking on it once. And now on the left side there should be a gear icon where you hover over it. It says Settings. So you want to left click on it. So now in the settings window, you want to left click on the ease of access tile right here. And then you want to left click on mouse on the left side. Underneath use numeric keypad to move mouse around the screen. Uncheck this box. And then at this point you can close out of the settings window. I recommend restarting your computer and your problem should be resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.